I created a brand new niche, and a single video I made using this formula skyrocketed to 2.7 million views with a staggering 3% swipe-through rate. And in this video, I'm not going to use some easy text-to-video AI tool or generate a video to go viral. You're going to learn how to put in the work and find a video idea, create a script, and also edit, you lazy chick. So, let's dive right in. The first step is finding a video idea. For this part, you just need to know what is trending or something really worth watching, because even if you edit your video like a pro, but your script sucks, you can't make it go viral. So, how do you know what's trending to begin with? You can use Google Trends or check people who make football videos like FC Motivate, Simple Sports, and other popular creators in the space. This will give you an idea of what's currently resonating with audiences and what topics are worth exploring in your content. Next step is writing a script. For the scripting part, I honestly write it myself, because if your script doesn't have that personal touch in it, most of the time, it just flops. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT.
AI is a brilliant tool.
Bruh.
But pay attention to the prompt I'm about to use. Most of you will just ask something that nobody will ever be interested in.
What the?
So I will do this only for you. Now, open your browser, search for ChatGPT, and type this: 5 things nobody knows about Neymar. Then ask it to shorten the script, and ChatGPT will make it short, just like that. Next step is generating images. For this part, you need to go back to ChatGPT, then copy the script and send it to Meta AI. Ask it to generate prompts that you can use to make your images. To generate your images, you only have 2 options. You can go to Leonardo AI and convert those prompts to images. But the problem is, Leonardo AI stops generating high-quality AI images after a 3-image trial, which is just annoying. So let's go with the second option. You can use my free unlimited image generation tool on GitHub. It's a game changer. Now open your browser and search for Nasworks. Don't forget it has a capital N. Then scroll down a little and click on this one. Now follow my GitHub account and click on repositories. Then click on Photos, and then scroll down until you come across this Photos in Collab button and click on it. After it opens, click on the Google Collab button and click Run Anyway. After it's done loading, click on that link with Gradio Live in it. And once it opens, click on the Advanced and Input Image buttons. Now, this is the tool we're going to use to generate the images. Now copy a prompt and paste it here, right in this field. Then click on Generate. It's that simple. Just copy, paste, and click, and the tool will do the rest. Next step is the voiceover. So get ready to bring your script to life. Take a deep breath, grab your mic, and let's get started. Or you can use AI for this part. We got 2 options. The first one is 11 Labs. You can just go to 11 Labs, sign up, choose a character, and generate your voiceover. But if you're a broke student like me who wants to get it all for absolutely free, then I gotcha. Okay, let's go with the second option. Just open your browser and search for Clipchamp. Then log in and click on Create a New Video. Next, click on the Record and Create button and select Text to Speech. Copy your script, paste it there, and choose any speaker's voice you like. Finally, click on Save and let Clipchamp work its magic.
5 shocking facts you need to know about Neymar Jr.
After that, click on Export and choose the 720p option. And that's all. You've successfully generated a voiceover for your video. Next step is video editing. Well, for this part, I'll be using CapCut, but you can easily replicate this editing style in other software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Wondershare Filmora. Now, open CapCut and import your audio. Then, carefully cut out all the spaces in it for a faster pacing. Next, you can import those images we generated and drag each one to the timeline. Try to make sure it flows perfectly with the voiceover. Now let's add some animations. Click on Animations and choose Combo. Then carefully select the best animations. As you can see, I carefully preview it before even adding it to my clips. I want to make sure the animation is smooth and aligns perfectly with the voiceover. And finally, it's time for some captions. Just highlight all the voiceover and create a compound clip. Then click on Text and select Auto Captions. Click Generate. Now highlight the text and drag it to the middle to make it stand out. Click on Uppercase to give it a bold look. Choose any font font of your choice. I'll select a modern sans serif font. Turn on Shadow to add depth and dimension. Then click on Animations and choose Bounce Out. Then click on Effects and add Black Flash. And this time click on Audio and search for Whoosh. Then add the deep whoosh sound effect. After that, import a background music. In case you need it, I'll leave a link in the description below. Finally, let's take a look at what the edit looked like. 5 shocking facts you need to know about Neymar Jr., martial arts enthusiast. Neymar has trained in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and often shares videos of his practice, futsal, and street football. He developed his skills playing futsal and street football, enhancing his dribbling and control. Neymar's full name is Neymar da Silva Santos Jr., named after his father, who was also a footballer and now his advisor. At 14, Neymar was offered a spot at Real Madrid's youth academy, but chose to stay with Santos FC. Through his Instituto Projeto Neymar Jr., he supports educational and athletic programs for underprivileged children in Brazil. Just like that, you have finally made use of my formula to make an interesting video about Neymar. And this is a niche I currently started, so it's not saturated. As you can see, I reduced the background music to almost 10, because if I allowed it to be at full potential, it would just chase away all the audience. But don't worry, I'll make even better videos in the future. If you don't want to miss out, don't forget to subscribe and like.